go ahead. I think I'm gonna kick it with my girl today. I used to be commander in chief on my pimp shit, flying high, till I met this pretty little missile, shot me out the sky. Shot me out, Captain Mama crash. Don't know how it happened, but I knew it'd be so damn good that if I could go back and make it happen faster, don't you know I would, baby, if I could. Missing me, breathing for the bullet, the load never too much. She helping me bullet, she shot the bullet.